Hi everyone, this is Zilla. I'm back again with another video, and today I have got the Galaxy Watch. It's turned up. I'm excited about this one. As all of you have requested, I'm going raw style, no editing, mistakes and all. I bought this from Samsung Direct. Now, Samsung UK's website, they had an offer on. If you order this, you get a Duos wireless charger for free, which is £89 in the UK. And I could trade in my Gear S3 for £100. So I thought, why not? Because at that price, this is only costing me £110. So I thought, well, worth it, because I wanted a wireless duo charger anyway. So for £110, it's a win all day long, if you ask me. Now there are three variants. There's two 42mm versions and there's the 46mm version. The two 42mm versions, one's a rose gold color, which is probably more suitable for the ladies, and there's an all black version. The Galaxy Watch 46mm only comes in the silver color. That's what Samsung call it. So let's have a look at the packaging around here. This is literally just turned up. This is a Bluetooth stroke Wi-Fi only version. The LTE version is not available in the UK yet, but EE will be getting that at some point later on, either this month or next month, which you'll need a plan to use the LTE. So let's have a quick look around the packaging. So you've got long battery life, auto fitness and wellness tracking, 39 plus workout activities support, water resistant to 5 atmos or 50 meters, and on the back here, used with a smartphone running Android 5.0 or higher, and RAM 1.5 gigs above. I'm not going to go into all that too much. Basically, I'm going to be using with my Note 9. I always think Samsung watches work best with Samsung devices because you have everything working as it should. So let's do the unboxing. And while I'm doing the unboxing, or after I've done the actual opening of the packaging, let's move that aside and look at that. That looks really, really nice. So what's that? It's a little bit of is that a sticker? Yeah, there's protective stickers all over this thing. Check that out. That looks really smart. Got the rotating bezel there. I like this look. Anyway, let's put that to one side. I'll come back to that in a sec. Let's see what else is in the packaging. Pull this out. Nothing in there. And we've got two boxes. What's in this one? One of them's bound to be the charger and stuff, which I'm not going to need because I've got the Duos charger over there. I'll do a review on that at some point. What's this? This is a smaller, there's a smaller or shorter band included in the box, which is well worth it for anyone who's got smaller wrists. Obviously I'm going to be going with the larger variant. You got your booklets. I'm not going to get into that. Little charging cradle. You've all seen this sort of thing before. Samsung branding on the back. Again, no point me going into that in too much depth because as I'm going to be using the Duos charger. And in here, what's this? This must be the cable. Oh, it's the charging brick. So it's not a USB types. It's not a USB type C connector. Still uses the micro SD connection. It's not a big deal really. And you can't unplug the cable from this. As you can see, it's wired into the plug. For those of you who want to know the specs of the charger, there you go. Have a read of that. Pause it, have a look. It's basically output is 5 volts at 0.7 amps. That's what it says on there. So let's chuck all this out of the way. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in my Gear S3 and I'm going to compare it to this, and I'm going to bring in the Apple Watch as well. There we have it. It's all sorted now, de-stickered, cleared up. Let's see if there's any juice in there. There we go. Now let's have a look around. This strap is a 22mm strap. It feels very soft. It's in black. Obviously it's replaceable. Very easy. You've got your little pins there. Bring that in closer so you can see that. Got a little pin. Slide across with your nail. It opens up the little bar inside, and you can take both sides off, which I probably will be doing at some point. I'm pretty sure the straps from my Gear S3 will fit this because they're both 22mm. This is a large one. As you can see, this is 22L on the strap. So you can see that right there. Very soft and flexible, this one. Probably very comfortable. So there's the setup screen. Now, I won't set it up in this video because it will take too long. I'll come back and I'll set it up and I'll do another hands-on video with it. But in this video, let's bring in the Gear S3. As you can see there, they look very, very similar. Size is pretty identical. They've both got the rotating bezel. This is silver as opposed to this, which is black. If you look at the buttons on the side, let's bring that in. So let's bring that in. Oh, fingers here. So the buttons are very similar. The only difference being these are in silver with the black inlay. These are black with the black inlay. You've got microphone holes situated in the same place. You've got the rotating bezels, which this one, it's got a kind of a more metallic sound to it. Let me see if you can hear that. Oh, we'll bring it in. So I don't know if you could hear that. I don't know. This one feels a little easier to rotate than this one. Let's turn around and look at the back. So the back looks quite different as well. This back gets dirty quite easy, but you know, it is what it is. But this is a designer strap, which I'm going to probably stick on here. If you can see, this has got a silver buckle on it. This has got the black one. Now, because it's got the black bezel with the silver body, I think that's going to help when it comes to strap choices. Because if you've just got the all black body with a sort of, if you look at the silver buckle, it doesn't quite go with that. But now you've got a choice. You can use a silver buckle or a black buckle like this, because it will match with that. So it will fit in really nicely. So let's talk about the specs really quickly. What's the difference? Now I've got it up here. They've both got a 1.3 inch 360 by 360 AMOLED touchscreen. Both very bright, vibrant. No issue there. Exactly the same looking screen. The Gear S3 has got Corning Gorilla Glass SR Plus. Well, the Galaxy Watch is, I believe, using Corning Gorilla DX Plus glass, which I assume is better. Who knows at this stage? What else? The Galaxy Watch is using an Exynos 9110 dual core 1.15 gigahertz 1.5 gigabytes of RAM and 4 gigs of internal storage. And the Gear S3 is using an Exynos 7270 dual 1.0 gigahertz with 768 megabits of RAM and 4 gigabytes of storage. So there is a difference there. This should be faster. Remember, this came out 2 years ago. And also another difference is this one you can officially swim in, from what I'm hearing. This one you can't, although people have done and it survived no issue, so who knows. The Gear S3 has a 380 milliamp hour battery, which is quoted as lasting between 3 and 4 days, and the Galaxy Watch has a 472 milliamp hour battery, which is claimed to last up to 7 days. I doubt it will, but it's nice to have a bigger battery. That's one of the major draws. One thing that a lot of people are disappointed with, this one here has got a MST technology, which I believe stands for magnetic swipe technology, whereas the Galaxy Watch, they've taken that out. Reason I've heard is, I don't know if it's true or not, they couldn't fit it in because of the bigger battery and so on. Now a lot of people are upset by that. Me personally, I'm not bothered. I've never had to swipe a card in about 6 or 7 years, and I've traveled extensively in the UK, across Europe. Over here, I don't know in the States how it is. I know some of you really need the MST. Me in the UK, it's a dead kind of technology. So for me, I'm not really upset by that at all. Let me bring in the Apple Watch I've got here. Bring that and compare it quickly. You can see the size difference. That's my daughter, in case anyone's wondering. This looks so much better. This looks like I don't know, I just don't like this rectangular kind of watch. It just doesn't look normal. This looks a lot nicer. I mean, look at it. What do you guys think? I just think this looks better. It's more ergonomically designed as a watch. You see how it curves round here. With this, when you sit on your wrist, it kind of just sits on your wrist. It doesn't form to your wrist, because it's not an ergonomic design really. Where this is much better. This looks more masculine in my opinion. I think most people would agree with me, if I'm honest. This does look much more masculine. Anyway guys, that was my long-winded, unedited unboxing of the Galaxy Watch. Stay tuned. I have got a load of Samsung videos, Huawei videos coming up, and Honor videos. I've got too many things to review. I've got about 100 cases for the Note 9 that have been sent to me to review. Some I've bought myself. I've actually got, where is it gone? There it is. Is that it? Yes. Now we all know Samsung hasn't released an Alcantara cover this year for the Note 9. Well, I've got an Alcantara and carbon fiber case review coming up shortly. I've also got, bear with me guys, I've also got this designer case from Spigen, which I'm going to be reviewing. I've also got this rather attractive VRS design case for the Note 9, which is really, really nice. I've got all the Tech 21 cases. Now, I've also got these. I've reviewed these last year. These are the Uflex Samsung in-ear headphones. Really, really excellent headphones, which I've been using for quite some time, and I've been using with my Note 9. Highly recommended. I'll leave a link to my review video of that if you haven't seen it already. Anyway guys, that's it. Give me a thumbs up, share the video on all your social media. I will try and edit some of the guff out of this video. Even though you guys want it raw, I need to edit some out. It's too long-winded. I'll be doing a 24 hours hands-on video about the Galaxy Watch and so on. I'm also going to be doing a dual SIM video of my Note 9, because most people are doing their reviews of the Note 9, but they're not talking about the dual SIM aspect. For example, can you have voice over LTE running on both SIMs at the same time? Can you be using Wi-Fi calling on both SIMs? Can you have LTE running on both SIMs? Can both SIMs take calls at the same time? These sort of things. So, and battery life. How has battery life been affected by using two SIMs at the same time? Anyway, stay tuned for that. This is TechZilla saying take care. I'll see you all again real soon, and peace.